Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brant Jones and I just recently started wearing hair systems. It's been about 7 months now. I want to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks. In fact, I am a dentist by trade, and so I actually use adhesives day in, day out, and I feel like I've got some good stuff that might be beneficial to you guys when talking about hair system. Anyway, this hair system is a LaVivid. It's actually their Mirage hair system. The color is a number 4. You guys can kind of check it out on the sides. The base on a Mirage is maybe a little thicker than what I'm used to. It might just be me, but I feel like the adhesion is a little better, but it definitely is noticeable. It's more noticeable than a thinner base. Here is a picture of my before. As you can see, I used to shave my head. I thought I was a good looking guy, never really bothered me, but once I looked into hair systems and actually tried it, I honestly don't think I'll go back. I really like it. And so here are the after pictures with LaVivid Mirage. Like I said, I had to tweak the hairline a little bit, trimmed it up a bit, and I think it looks really natural. And you can see these views on the sides. I think everything looks natural, and that was one of the things that I always wanted. If my hair was gonna look fake, I would rather just be bald. But I've been happy with my hair system journey so far, and have really liked this LaVivid Mirage hair system. Anyway, thanks for watching, and maybe we'll see you again. Bye.